guys, welcome back to another video. So I've had these gel polishes arrive from Madam Glam. Now they did arrive quite late. These were a collection that they brought out for the 4th of July Independence Day. So yeah, they are quite late getting to me. So I'm just going to show you the colours very quickly. So that one was Glam Parade. This one is a flake no wipe top coat called Celebration. It's a really pretty one actually. I really like this. Gorgeous, got like blue foil leaf in it. We've got bold white. We've got this gorgeous sparkly blue, love that, which is called Bright Blue. And then lastly we've got a proper pillar box red, look at that, and that's called Legacy. So we are going to swatch them very quickly, and then I want to do a little design with them. So I'm not going to do an Independence Day design because obviously Independence Day is long gone, but I might do a design kind of inspired by Independence Day. We'll see how it goes. So anyone that's new to Madam Glam, you get 15ml. They cure in a LED light for 1 minute and a UV light for 2 minutes. That's what I'm trying to show you there. They're also vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and hema free. You can just see the ingredients there. If anyone wants to have a quick look through those, you can do. They're really, really good quality formula. Great for people that has allergies. So this is the first one that we're going to swatch, bold white. And this is exactly what it says on the bottle as well. It is a super bright white, so pigmented as well, guys. Look at this for one coat. Wow. It's even brighter than the Madam Glam Perfect White. It is so bright. It's actually probably my favourite white that I've ever tried. So this is Legacy. Again, red can be a little bit hit and miss. If it's too pigmented, it can wrinkle in the lamp. So a lot of the time they're quite sheer. This was full on one coat. One coat, full coverage, look at that. And no wrinkling in the lamp. I have never had a Madam Glam gel polish wrinkle in the lamp, ever. Look at that, look. One coat, oh my days. Love it. And I just want to show you as well, guys, these have got the fan brushes inside. Look at them. I love, love, love these bristles. They're so soft, look at that. And they fit in them cuticle areas so nicely, making it really easy to use in them cuticle areas. So now we're on to Bright Blue. Beautiful shimmery one this is. This one is quite watery, but even though it's quite watery, it is cram-packed full of glitter. Look at that. Again, one coat. Full coverage. It's so sparkly, I love it. And then the last one for the gel polish colours is Glam Parade. Again, this one is cram-packed full of glitter, guys. Stunning. It is a slightly bigger cut than that bright blue, but it's cram-packed full of that beautiful silver hollow glitter. Look at that. It's so sparkly. It's so pretty. I love it. So you're going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. And then last but not least, we're on to this Flakes No Wipe Top Coat. And this one is called Celebration. I really, really like this. Look at all the beautifulness in here, look. Beautiful, innit? It's got like white matte flakes in there. It's got blue foil leaf in there. It's got bits of red glitter. It's stunning. Look at that. So that's what it looks like just after one coat. Now if you do want more glitter, you can just keep adding layers on top of layers till you get the desired amount of glitter that you want. Now I've also now gone in with a no wipe shiny top coat and a matte top coat on the bottom half, so you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. So that's that Celebration after 2 coats. Really, really smart, isn't it? Really unusual. I really like it. I think my favourite is definitely the bright blue though, especially in matte. I really like that in matte. So we've now got to do a design. So I've pulled out these itty bitty cute short square tips and the Madam Glam striping brush. I've loaded that up with the bold white and I'm just going to paint a French tip on this nail. So we're going to do an Independence Day inspired design. I'm not going to do a full-on Independence Day design because obviously there's no point. Independence Day is long gone. So yeah, I'm just going to do a design inspired by the 4th of July. I really like these tips for doing gel polish designs on, you know, so you haven't got to paint that base colour. It just saves so much time. And this white is amazing to use for nail art, guys, because it is so pigmented. So on this nail, I'm going to paint a French tip, but using Legacy. So we're going to have a red French tip on this one. So I'm just showing you here. You can, I do prefer to do it this way actually. Put the majority of the gel polish down with the brush out of the bottle and then just go in with my striping brush to neaten up that smile line. Or you can just apply the gel polish to a palette and just use your striping brush, but I do prefer to do it this way. I find it just so much quicker. Again, this red was really nice to use for nail art because it is super pigmented, so I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. Now on these two, I want to use the Celebration Flakes No Wipe Top Coat, and that is going to be the background to these two nails. So once I've painted that on these two tips, I'll give them a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I think I only did one coat of this on each tip because I didn't want them to be a full-on glitter. I just wanted a little bit of that in the background. That was exactly the look I was going for. I really like these like Flakes No Wipe Top Coat, you know, because you can just move the glitter about and have it exactly where you want it before you put it in the lamp. And once you're happy with it, pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds and that'll hold it all in place. Now on this one, I'm going to be doing like swirly lines using the Legacy, the bright blue and bold white. So I will just speed this bit up, pop a little bit of music on, and then I shall pop back in once it's all finished. Guys, I'm only just noticing as I'm coming to voice over this video that this nail looks like the Colgate logo. Other toothpaste brands are available. I can't believe I didn't notice that until now. It looks just like the Colgate logo, doesn't it? It's not supposed to. So that is them all finished. I'm just going to now go in with Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. Give them all a coat of that and then pop them in the lamp for 60 seconds and then that'll be them all finished. We'll come back and take a look at them. And that is what they look like all finished. So I've popped them in my Aliana hand and I think they always look so much better when you put them on a hand, don't you? So much better than what they do on tip stands. So let's have a look at the swatches quickly one last time. So we've got Bold White, Legacy, Bright Blue, Glam Paradise, and then Celebration. I love that bright blue, you know, especially in matte. It looks really smart in matte as well, doesn't it? I like them. So, like I said earlier, guys, these are available on the Madam Glam website right now. I will leave all the names listed in my description box below. If you do decide to place yourself an order, don't forget to pop GG35 in at checkout, and that will take a massive 35% off your whole order. I will leave that pinned in my comments along with the Madam Glam website link. So I really hope you liked the video, and I really hope you liked the nails. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.